Running your own business is great, but when tax season rolls around, things can get confusing. What forms do you need? What expenses can you write off? And do you really have to pay taxes 4 times a year? Today, I will break it all down so you can focus on growing your business instead of stressing over taxes. Assalaumlaikum. I am Author Syed and welcome to the channel where we simplify finance, business, and personal growth. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Now let's dive in. How do taxes work for small businesses? Small business taxes depends on your business structure. Sole proprietors and single member LLCs report business income on Schedule C, which is attached to your personal tax return. Partnership and multi-member LLCs file Form 1065 and partners report their share of income on Schedule K1. S corporation file Form 1120S and owner report income on Schedule K1. C corporations file Form 1120 and pay corporate income tax. What tax forms do I need for my business? Here is a quick breakdown of the tax forms you may need. Schedule C, profit and loss for business, used by freelancers and sole proprietors. Form 1040, your personal tax return, where business income is reported. Form 1099 NEC, if you are self-employed and earned over $600 from a client. Form 941-940 for businesses with employees, payroll, and taxes. Form 1065, 1120 or 1120S for partnership, S Corps and C Corps. What expenses can I deduct as a self-employed person? Self-employed people can deduct a variety of business expenses, including home office deduction if you use part of your home exclusively for a business, equipment and softwares, laptops, camera, software subscription, business meals, 50% deductible when meeting clients, internet and phone bill if used for business, travel mileage, gas, flights, hotels for business trips, health insurance premiums. If you are a self-employed, you may be able to deduct this. How do I file taxes as a freelancer or contractor? If you are a freelancer or contractor, filing taxes is a bit different from a regular employee. Track your income, keep a record of all payments received, gather 1099 NEC forms. If you earn over $600 from any client, they should send you one. File a Schedule C, report your income and deduction, pay a self-employment tax, cover Social Security and Medicare. What is an EIN? Employer Identification Number. And do I need one? An EIN is like a social security number for your business. You need one if you hire an employee, you run a partnership, LLC, or corporation. You want to separate business and personal finances. Do I have to pay quarterly estimated taxes? Yes. If you expect to owe more than $1,000 in taxes, you must make estimated tax payments 4 times a year. Here is how. Quarter 1 by April 15 covers Jan to March. Quarter 2 by June 15 covers April to June. Quarter 3 by September 15 covers July to September. Quarter 4 by Jan 15 cover October to December. How do payroll taxes work for small businesses? If you have employees, you are responsible for withholding and paying payroll taxes. Federal income tax deducted from employees' paychecks. Social Security and Medicare. Employers and employees split this tax. Unemployment tax paid only by employers. What you should do next? Track your income and expenses all year. Pay estimated taxes quarterly if needed. Consider hiring a CPA or using a tax software to simplify your filing. I would love to hear from you. Are you self-employed or running a small business? Drop a comment below. Like and subscribe for more tax and business tips. Assalamualaikum.